Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to center text in a word table. We start by selecting the cells where the text we want to center is. After that, click on the center icon within the paragraph category. We will see that our text is centered in our word table. If we want to center the text completely in the cell, we select the cells and right-click on the table. Then we click on Table Properties. After that, we click on the cell window, and within the vertical alignment, we choose the center option. Finally, we apply the changes and we will see our text centered in the table. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.